Roberts 3300 High-Performance Multipurpose is a high solids adhesive formula for the insulation of hard-to-bond commercial carpet and most types of felt-back resilient floor coverings. It provides an aggressive upfront grab for reduced bubbling and curling. With a high solids content between 70 to 73% for the most demanding installations, it covers up to 180 square feet per gallon depending on trowel type, substrate, and installation conditions. It has an open time of up to 30 minutes and a working time of up to 60 minutes. 3300, like most adhesives manufactured by Roberts, are the only adhesives to include microban antimicrobial technology, providing around-the-clock product protection from the growth of stain and odor-causing microbes, including bacteria, molds, and mildews. For further assurance of the effectiveness and quality of our products, we offer a 2-year shelf life and a lifetime warranty when installed in accordance with the printed specifications performed by industry-certified professional installers.